So now we have our boxes, we need to cut them open so we have a flap to it. So I took the cereal box and I have one end that's open, and I started and actually just went right into the front and just stabbed it and cut where it would open on the back edge of that, so it would look something like this. And then there was some extra little cuts, so I had to tape those corners here and here to keep the heat from escaping. So you're going to need a place to put food into, and you're going to need a place for the sun to come through and heat up the inside of the food. So that's one of the examples I have. Another one is I took a box of toaster scrambles, and I did the same kind of thing, but I actually have taped all the sides. I taped all the edges where any kind of heat can escape. So all the sides have been, I felt for any kind of seam. If there was a seam, I put tape on that. Then I need to cut a piece of plastic that will cover the top. Now I'm going to use this one so I can open it, get my food out, and put it back. So this one's going to be a removable piece of plastic. So the deal is, most people, when they secure their plastic, they do a great job going on this side, and this side. But they forget the heat escapes right here. So that's probably the most important part in keeping that taped down. So if you have tape, that would be great. If not, it's just a practice, and you're good with that one. So you're going to need to fill up your container with something dark. So I have these very pretty placemats that I don't want ruined. So on the back side, they're black. So I'm folding them where I only see the black, and I'm putting them inside a baggie because I don't want melted chocolate all over my food. That's not what I meant to say. I don't want melted chocolate all over my placemat. So I'm going to put some placemats at the bottom of this box because I need to fill up the space. So these guys have no padding. So you can put a t-shirt, you can put a pair of shorts, anything that you want to do. Wherever the food's going to go, that's where you use the plastic. And that way I've got the food item, whatever that is, right up there at the front. So I would actually open this up and put it maybe on a dark piece of foil. How about that? I hate this foil. If I use a piece of foil, then I can make a little plate, and that plate is ready for me to have whatever it is I'm going to warm up. So here's my little food item, and then inside I have a little plate with my food, and I've got a protected placemat, and that would go in like voila. You would need to secure the edges if you have the tape. If not, it just stays there, and there's your little food. The heat will come in and warm up this entire box. But you have to have it stuffed full of something. You also can use foil around the edges to help bring in some of that heat. So that's another idea. And remember, you can also use chips with some cheese. So you can do, like nachos kind of things. That could be another option that you have. But the idea is you're going to need to secure your opening, whatever that is. So do something where this is, we don't want to get bugs, ants, things like that, because it's going to be outside for almost an hour. We want to be able to, well, I say an hour, provided you can wait that long, depending on what yummy you have inside here. So the idea is we're going to need to make it as warm as possible. So if you have any kitchen towels, anything that's dark colored, those are the things that we're looking for. That's something that you can fill up your container as well. In the classroom, we use black pieces of paper, we use sheets of foil. You can use cotton filling, just you want to fill up that area so you don't have wasted space that the sun has to come and heat that particular area up. But you can use those dark colors to help make it hotter inside there. And that is what you're doing now. You're preparing your solar oven. So work on that one. That's day 2.